Okay, so this is how you'll be able to set up prices for wholesale and for retail price, or maybe you are doing a promotion, you can do a promo price and all that. So when you come to the product inventory and you um, go to how do you call it? I'll pick one product. So let's say this product, this first product, and then I edit it. Goes to pricing, and at pricing allow you to set up multiple prices. So over here you can set up a price for wholesale, for retail, whatever price. You can set up multiple prices. So I'll show you how to do that. um, so over here, if you want to set up wholesale price, you select wholesale, and then you can set up the price. So let's say the item is 515. Wholesale will take you, let's say, 400 cedis for wholesale price, and then you just add. So that's the second price. You can even go ahead and do sales price. When you are making sales, you can make sales price. So let's say you are doing a sales and you are reducing the prices, you can just add it just like that. So now you have multiple prices which can be used at the sales price. There's even a feature that you can activate wholesale, and then everything you sell picks wholesale price. The last point you ask for is changing prices automatically. So when you come here, you'll be able to change prices. You see increase price, increase or decrease price. So you can increase price by all items. You put in a fixed amount, and then you put in the amount, or percentage, and you put in the percentage. And then once you apply, it will apply to all the items. You can even do it by category. Where you pick a category and then you do the changes. You can even do it to a specific item, where you can pick a specific item and change the prices. The same thing applies when you are doing you want to decrease price. The same thing. You can either use percentage or you can use fixed amount. So that is it. Thank you.